So today, I'm going to pick this little master lock. It's probably just a little 4-pinner, very easy to do. And I'm going to show you something that I learned on YouTube. I'm going to pick this with just a blade of grass. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, well, obviously it's probably a 5-pinner, so I'm gonna have to get a different lock pick for that. That's what I have right here. They're the Readyman lock picks. Got these from Bosnian Bill. He sent them to me. So I'm gonna use those right now and see if I can get into this thing. Okay, well, obviously that's not a 5-pin lock. It's probably like a 6-pin with some security pins in it, and so I got another kit. So I have my Sparrows kit here, and I got a rake. I know it's security pins. It's probably at least a 6-pinner, so I'm going to try to use that and open it. Okay, so obviously this is like a 9-pin lock, and I'm gonna have to use something else on it. I've got one more lock picking kit that we can use. Okay, so obviously this is some kind of secret security pin lock of some type that no one can get through. So I have one more lock picking kit. I call it the Redneck lock picking kit. And that's how you pick a lock with a blade of grass. I freaking opened it again. Freaking piece of crap.